So, good morning guys, welcome to another video. As you can see, there's been a change of plans. I'm tearing down the E36. Yep, it's time. I thought about wrapping it, and well, that was a good plan, obviously, but yeah, when I was busy on Saturday, I found things that are beyond repairing. There's so much rust. So yeah, I'm gonna tear the E36 down. Yeah, I can show you what I mean a bit. You can't see underneath there, but there's also rust. There is rust. There's a lot of rust. I fixed this side about a year ago, I think. It still looks pretty good. Yeah. But the jack point over there, yeah, I can't show you right now because it's on the ground. But the jack point is basically completely gone. If I put my jack underneath it and jack it up, then the first 6-7 pumps nothing will happen. The car stays down, but the jack goes up, so it's completely rotten. Yeah, and then we go to the back side. On this side it's a bit hard to see because it's wet, but this fender is also completely gone. So yeah, now the plan is, I will show you in a minute. I've got my trailer full with parts. Maybe I can show you. Not so much, but yeah. Exhaust, roll cage, everything is in. I've rented another garage and we go there right now, so I can show you what my plan is. Yeah, see you in Front Row City. So, the new plan. And this looks better. This not so much. And this even less. So yeah, this is my new plan. A completely new car. I need to build it, of course, because there's a 1.6 engine in it right now. That's not gonna do it at Assen, Zandvoort or the Nürburgring. So tear down my old E36. That's the first thing I need to do, and then build this one. This one is completely rust free, and yeah, I found it in a barn. It has stand there for 4 or 5 years or so. So it's not been on the road for a long time. And it's always been dry. So no rust. That's a good thing, right? And another thing, there's no sunroof. No sunroof in it. So yeah, right now I have a trailer behind. Wait, over there. It's full with parts of my old E36. Yeah, I need to tear down my old E36 completely, and then I will be taking this one back home and start the build. As of course there will be footage of it and videos from it. But yeah, it's I think it's a nice car. Except for this bit. But yeah, we'll go and fix it. So this was a quick update from me. More videos in the future, of course, of my new E36. And yeah, see you all next time. Bye bye.